Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So for this video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful knotless box braid wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this box braid wig. It's a knotless box braid wig, as you guys can see, and it's really lovely. And the length of this wig is something else. Like, it's really long. Like, as you guys can see, it's really long. So I decided to do like the stockings method for installing this wig, but it's not necessary to do the stockings method. You can just apply a concealer on the lace part of the wig and then put it on your head and you're good to go. And if you're wondering, this wig is from Neatandsleek hair company. I'm going to put all the wig specs and the link, everything that has to do with it, in the description box below. I've actually tried their wig before. This is not my first time, this is my second time, and let me tell you, the wig is very lovely, very well made, though the braid is quite tight. I would have preferred if it's a bit loose, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. It's really tight and very neat, as you guys can see. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so now I'm just gonna show you guys what came with the package. So this is the wig. As you guys can see, this wig is very well made. The braids are very neat, and the wig is very long. So before using this wig, like a day before using this wig, it's advisable for you to put it in hot water, like pour hot water on it, just to help straighten the braids very well. You know, when it comes in the package, it's been folded, so but when you receive it, you just boil hot water and pour on it to straighten it a day before using it. So here I'm gonna do the stockings method. I know my wig cap is messed up, so please ignore that. I'm gonna put on my wig cap, apply my gel, then I'm gonna spray the face spray, and then I'm gonna use like a blow dryer to blow dry it for a few minutes. So I'm just gonna cut out the spare part of the wig cap. So right here I'm just gonna apply a little bit of foundation on my wig cap, then I'm gonna apply a little bit of foundation on the wig itself, and then I'm gonna put on the wig. So once I have the wig on, I'm still going to apply a little bit of got to be good gel. Just know that if you want to take off the wig after applying got to be good gel, please just use water so that you don't, mess up your edges. So I've applied my face spray and then blow dried it a little bit. I'm going to place the wig on it. So right here I'm just gonna cut out the spare lace in front. Then now I've taken down the edges, so this is optional. If you don't like laying your edges, you don't have to do it. So I'm just going to trim it a little bit and then I'm going to apply a gel on it. You can even trim yours to be way shorter. If you don't like your edges being visible, you can make it really short. And now I'm going to tie a scarf on it and leave it to dry for a few minutes. And yes, it's dry now, so I'm going to take out the scarf, and that's pretty much it, guys. I absolutely love this wig. It's very beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in my very next one. Love you guys. Bye.